In this video, I'm going to show you how you can move a card or cards around on your dashboard in ClickUp. So if you have several cards and you like to rearrange them, it is pretty simple. You can just move them around. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So I have these cards or widgets and I like to go ahead and move them around. To move it around or to move this card around, just go ahead and hover over it and you'll see this hand sign. So if you long press on it, now you can move it while pressed down to any place or to any level that you wish. So you can see the more I move around, the more it moves. Once you have attained or found the perfect destination, go ahead and just remove your finger on your mouse and it will stick where you have placed it. You can also go ahead and resize it by moving the corners with this double-edged arrow, and this will allow you to resize it. So that's how you can move around cards in ClickUp dashboard. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.